Hi everyone, and welcome to Python in News Briefly Explained. Today we are going to explore the basics of plotting in Python using the powerful Matplotlib library. By the end of this video, you will know how to create your very own line chart with just a few lines of code. So let's jump right in. Matplotlib is a popular Python library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations, especially plots, charts, and graphs. In this video, we will focus on its core module, PyPlot. It provides a Matplotlib interface and makes it easy to build both simple and complex plots. That was a quick intro. Now let's see how it works in practice. First, we need to make sure Matplotlib is installed. If you are using a Jupyter notebook, you can install it by typing !pip install Matplotlib. That's how we run shell commands directly from Jupyter Notebook. If you have already installed it, you can skip this step. I will run the cell as all the cells using Shift plus Enter. And as you can see, Matplotlib is installed and ready to use. Next, we will import the PyPlot module from Matplotlib. This gives us access to the plot function. It's here. But before we start plotting, we need some input data. Let's say we want to visualize the number of minutes spent preparing plots during 1 week. On the x-axis, we will use the abbreviations for each day, and on the y-axis, we will show the number of minutes spent on plotting each day. Now that we have our data, we can create a simple line plot using plt.plot x and y. PLT is the abbreviation used here for the Matplotlib library. Plot is the name of the function, and x and y are here defined attributes of the function. So now run the cell, Shift Enter, and just like that, we have created a basic plot. But yeah, it's not quite ready for presentation yet. Fortunately, Matplotlib offers a wide range of customization options, like changing the color, adding labels, adjusting the width, using markers, adding a legend, and much more. These customizations are made using keyword arguments. They are optional and you don't need to remember them. So I will show you now some of them. So here, first of all, I will change the line color to orange and set the line style to dash dot. I will also adjust the line width. Then I will add square markers with brown fill and black edges. Finally, I will increase the transparency slightly by setting the alpha argument to 0.9. 1 is maximum. And yeah, let's run the cell and see the changes. It's still not perfect, but definitely an improvement. We can see the markers and the change of the line. So now let's enrich the plot with the title, axis labels, a legend, and a grid. I will also show you how to save the plot as a PNG file and display it. The upper part is almost the same, and the title and labels is here by typing plt.title and the content or the name of the title, time spent on data visualization in our case, plt.xlabel days, plt.ylabel number of minutes. Then we will show the legend, plt.legend. We will determine the description here, label, and what we want to have it in the legend. And I also recommend you to use plt.grid true, and it will add the grid into the plot. Very useful is to save the plot as a PNG file. It will then save the figure in the same file as in the same folder as is the Jupyter notebook. And the final part of this short code is plt.show. It is actually not necessary in Jupyter because it will show the figure anyway, but it is used in other environment, and I think that it's good to learn to use it too. So now let's run the code as it is. Yeah, and here it is, our improved, now presentation-ready version. If you are curious about more fine-tuning options, other types of plots in Python, or Python-related videos in general, stay tuned for future content on this channel. You will find some useful links and resources in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. I would love to hear your thoughts or questions. And yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.